Hello guys, welcome back to this channel and thanks for viewing this video. Today we are going to talk about the Java isEmpty method, which is a method you can use to check whether a given string is empty or not. And one point to note also is that this method returns a Boolean value, which means that it will return true if the given string is empty. That is to say, if the length of that string is equal to 0, and it will return false if the given string is not empty. Let's take an example to see how this method works. So the first string variable I'm going to declare, and I will call it str1, and I'm just gonna put some double quotations, and inside I will put a white space, and the second string variable will be str2, and I'm just gonna give it some double quotations without putting the white space in between. So now I'm going to call the method inside my output statement. So I'll do System.out.println, and inside I'm going to check the first string variable str1 to see if it is empty. So I will do str1 that the name of my method is empty, and I will open and close the brackets. So if I run, I'm supposed to get false here because str1 is not an empty string. Okay, so we are getting false because, as you know, the white space is considered as a character. So str1 is not an empty string because it has a character inside, which is white space. So now let me check for str2. I'll do System.out.println, and inside I'm going to call my method. So I'm going to say str2 that is empty, like this, and then run. So I'm supposed to get true here. Yeah, as you can see, I'm getting true. Let me comment this one and run. You'll see I will get true. So what this is saying is that str2 is an empty string, and as you can see, I've only put double quotations, and inside there's no white space, there's no character in between the double quotations. So str2 is an empty string. str1 is not, because we have white space, and str2 is an empty string because there's no character inside, not even white space. So guys, that's how you can check whether your string is an empty string or not. Okay, so that was concerning the isEmpty method in Java, and I hope this video was informative. Please don't forget to like the video, to comment, and also to subscribe to this channel. And let's meet in the next video.